All right, let's dive into the fascinating world of car assembly. Picture this. You're standing in a bustling factory, and the air is electric with energy. You step forward, and the first thing you see, the assembly line, a perfectly orchestrated dance of machinery and manpower. As you move, you hear the rhythmic hum of machines, the clang of metal, and the chatter of skilled workers. They're all focused, each one a crucial part of this intricate puzzle. You can almost feel the excitement as a chassis rolls past, fresh and ready for transformation. You reach the first station. Here, robots are your trusty companions, welding the frame with precision. Sparks fly, illuminating the area in a dazzling display. You can see how the chassis, just a simple frame a moment ago, is now taking shape, becoming something powerful and sleek. You step closer, and the next station is a whirlwind of activity. Workers are installing the engine, that heart of the beast. Each bolt is tightened with care, each wire connected, all while you catch snippets of conversation about the latest models and features. Now, you move to the next phase. The car body is starting to come together. You watch as panels are fitted with surgical precision, transforming the skeleton into something that looks like a car. Oh, and here's where it gets interesting. The paint booth. You step in and it's like stepping into an art studio. Bright colors swirl around and you can smell that fresh paint. Each car gets coated in layers, ensuring it sparkles like new. You can't help but admire the artistry behind it. Every color tells a story. As you walk through the next section, you see the interior coming to life. Seats are installed, dashboards are wired up, and you can almost imagine the driver gripping the steering wheel, ready for adventure. You can feel the anticipation building. It's almost palpable. Finally, you reach the quality control stage. Every car is inspected meticulously. You see workers checking for imperfections, ensuring that each vehicle meets the highest standards. And just like that, you're at the end of the line. The car rolls out, a masterpiece of engineering and design, ready to take on the world. You can't help but feel a sense of awe at the sheer scale and efficiency of it all. From bare chassis to a stunning vehicle, it's a journey that's nothing short of magical.